Hello guys and welcome. In this video I will show you how to increase your battery timing. You can simply turn on one simple option to increase your battery timing. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing we need to do is go ahead and open the settings app. Here in the settings app, what you need to do is scroll down and then tap on the general section. Here in the general section you need to scroll down all the way and here you can see background app refresh. Simply tap on it and the first option which you see background app refresh, that allows app to refresh their content when on Wi-Fi or cellular in the background. Turning off apps may help preserve battery life, so you can simply tap on it and here you can see the off option. Simply tap on it and the background app refresh will be turned off. Now your battery life will be or battery timing will be increased massively. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Until next time, see you soon in another video.